बजी स्कूल की, चलो स्कूल तुमको पुकारे। पल 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 रोशनी जो मिली स्कूल की, जगमगाओगे तुम बन के तारे।
Very good morning, dear students. My name is Rajneesh Tyagi, and I welcome once again to all my dear students in the ninth standard, and also wish a very great year to you all. And I hope you are enjoying the very first experience in your life for the online classes. And we are taking here the very first chapter, The Lost Child, and it is going to be the next paragraph today. Here we go. Come, child, come. His parents called from the shade of a grove there, where they had seated themselves on the edge of a wall. Well, he ran towards them. The parents of that little child was calling him again and again and saying, "Come, child, come." उस बच्चे के माता पिता अपने बच्चे को बार बार अपने पास बुला रहे थे. They were calling to the little son, "Come, child, come, follow us." आओ हमारे साथ चलो. A shower of young flowers fell upon the child as he entered the grove and forgetting his parents. लेकिन जैसे ही वो बच्चा सरसों के खेत में जाता है वहाँ पे वो सारी चीज़ें भूल जाता है और ये भी भूल जाता है कि उसके मॉम डैड उसके साथ थे या नहीं. एंड ही वेंट टू द फायर without his parents. He began to gather the raining petals in his hands. He was trying to catch all those petals which were flying in that time. जितने भी petals, butterfly, grasshopper, ये सब उड़ रहे थे. He was trying to catch them. वो बच्चा कोशिश करता है कि उन सभी को पकड़े. But lo, he heard the cawing of dogs and ran towards his parents, shouting, the dough, the raining petals dropped from his forgotten hands, and he was always unsuccessful to hold all those petals in their hand. Come, child, come, they called to the child, who had now gone running in wild capers round the banyan tree, and now finally he was under the banyan tree. And there was a banyan tree, and he went to there. And gathering him up, they looked the narrow, winding footpath which led to the fair through the mustard fields. And there was a mustard fields. Mustard field means sarson ka khet. And from that mustard fields there was a small street, एक बहुत छोटी सी पतली सी जगह थी, एक गली थी. And through that field he went to the fair. उस गली में चलते हुए, उस छोटे से रास्ते पे चलते हुए वो बच्चा मेले तक पहुंच जाता है. And now what will be the further incidents? Here we go. As they heard the village, the child, he could see many other footpaths full of straw covering to the whirlpool of the fair, and felt at once supplied and fascinated by the confusion of the world he was entering. And when he got the entry in that fair, he was totally confused because a very first time he went to the fair and he realized the world has come to that place. जब वो बच्चा उस मेले में जाता है तो वो महसूस करता है कि वहाँ जैसे बहुत सारे लोग, बहुत सारी दुनिया के लोग ही उस मेले में आ चुके हैं. अ स्वीट मीट, अ सेलो हॉक, गुलाब जामुन, कुछ मिठाई मिठाई बेचने वाले लोग बोल रहे थे, बता रहे थे गुलाब जामुन, रसगुल्ला, बर्फ़ी, जलेबी. एट द कॉर्नर ऑफ द एंट्रेंस एंड अ क्राउड passed round his counter at the foot of an architecture of many colored sweets, and he has seen there are so many sweets there, and sweets was the favorite thing of that little child, especially the बर्फ़ी उस बच्चे की favorite sweets थी, decorated with the leaves of silver and gold. The child started open eyed, and his mouth watered for the burfi that was the favorite sweet. And as I told you right now, the burfi was the favorite sweet of that little boy, and his mouth was watering. जैसे वो बर्फ़ी को देखता है वो छोटा बच्चा, तो बर्फ़ी को देखने के बाद उसके मुंह में पानी आ जाता है. क्यों? क्योंकि बर्फ़ी उसकी फेवरेट स्वीट्स थी. बर्फ़ी वॉज द फेवरेट स्वीट्स ऑफ दैट लिटिल बॉय. He begged that his plea would not be heeded because his parents would say he was greedy. So what? Waiting for an answer, he moved on. और उस बच्चे ने कुछ भी अपने पेरेंट्स से नहीं मांगा. दैट लिटिल बॉय did not request for anything from the fair because he knew that if he would be asking for anything, he would be requesting for anything from the fair, his parents will realize that a little boy is a greedy. उसको मालूम था अगर वो अपने मम्मी पापा से कुछ भी मांगेगा तो उसके मम्मी पापा उसको ग्रीडी समझेंगे, लालची समझेंगे, इसलिए उसने कुछ नहीं मांगा. A flower seller hawked a garland of gulmohar. A garland of gulmohar. The child seemed interestingly drawn. He went towards the basket where the flowers lay heaped on the half murmured. और उसने जहाँ पे फूल मालाएं रखी हुई देखी वो उस जगह पर भी गया. I want that garland. And उसने क्या कहा? I want that garland. मुझे ये फूल माला चाहिए. But he well knew his parents would refuse to buy him those flowers because they would say that they were uh, cheap. So, without waiting for an answer, he moved on. And he did not even ask for requesting for this garland. And क्योंकि उसको मालूम था कि वो उसके मम्मी पापा से अगर वो अपने इस फूलों की माला के लिए भी रिक्वेस्ट करेगा तो उसके मम्मी पापा उसको ये भी खरीद करके नहीं देंगे. दैट्स वाई ही मूव्ड ऑन फॉर द नेक्स्ट शॉप. इसलिए वो वहाँ से उस दूसरी दुकान पर चला जाता है या फिर आगे की तरफ बढ़ जाता है. All total, we can say that the boy who got the entry into the fair was able to understand the things of his parents. He knew that very well. If he would be requesting for anything from the fair, the father and the mother of that little child will never purchase anything from him because, according to that little child, the parents will recognize the personality of that person that he is the greedy one. That's why he did not request for anything and was moving to place and shops to shops, and he was watching so many things there, just like his favorite sweets. The buffy was there, and the garland, and so many things were there, but he did not ask for anything from his parents. A man stood holding a pole with yellow, red, green, and purple balloons flying from it. There was a man in the fair who was flying many balloons from a corner. एक कोने में एक गुब्बारे वाला अलग अलग रंग के गुब्बारे छोड़ रहा था, कभी पर्पल, कभी रेड, कभी ग्रीन और कभी येलो. The child was simply earned away by the rainbow glory of their silken colors, and he was filled with an overwhelming desire to possess them all. But he well knew his parents would never buy him the balloons because they would say he was too old to play with such toys. As you all know that little boy has seen so many flowers, so many toys in that fair, but he was not requesting for a single balloon from his parents. You know why? Because the parents of that person, the parents of that boy would think that this is not the right age of that boy to play with the toys. उस बच्चे ने अपनी मम्मी पापा से किसी भी खिलौने की ज़िद नहीं की. क्यों? क्योंकि वो सोचता था उसके मम्मी पापा कहेंगे कि अगर वो ऐसे खिलौनों से इस उम्र में नहीं खेल सकता क्योंकि उसकी उम्र नहीं है इन खिलौनों के साथ खेलने की. सो ही वॉकड ऑन फादर. इसलिए वो आगे की तरफ बढ़ा. अ स्नेक चार्मर स्टूड प्लेइंग अ फ्लूट टू अ स्नेक विच कॉइल्ड इटसेल्फ इन अ बास्केट. और उसने देखा आगे एक सपेरा अपनी बीन बजा रहा था जिसमें उसकी टोकरी में एक सांप कुंडली मारकर बैठा हुआ था, यानी कि कॉइल्ड होकर के बैठा हुआ था. इट्स head raised in a graceful bend like the neck was a swan. और उसकी जो गर्दन थी वो ऊपर की तरफ निकली हुई थी. While the music stole into the invisible ears like the gentle rippling of an invisible waterfall. The child went towards the snake charmer, but knowing his parents had forbidden him to hear such chords, much as the snake charmer played, he proceed further. और उसने उस सपेरे को उस सांप का खेल दिखाने के बाद वो वहाँ से आगे बढ़ गया. There was a round out in a false swing. Men, women and children cried away in a whirling motion. बहुत सारे बच्चे, बहुत सारे महिलाएं, बहुत सारे लोग इधर उधर घूम रहे थे, भीड़ में इधर उधर जा रहे थे. Shrieked and cried with dizzy laughter. कुछ लोग बहुत जोर जोर से हंस रहे थे. The child watched them intently and then he made a bold request. I want to go on the round out, please, father, mother. And he wanted to enjoy so many things in the market, in the fair, in that fair. He wanted to purchase so many things from that fair, but again and again he was going to refuse his desire in front of his parents, because I told you before, the parents of that person would be thinking that it is not the right age of that boy to play with the toys and have fun. So, dear students, it was the explanation of the day, and we will discuss once again this story tomorrow. And till then, you have to listen this video carefully, and also write down all the questions and answers in your notebook. This is the book of moments. We are having 3 books in this syllabus of the English this time: the moments book, beehive book, and English grammar. This is the very first chapter of the moments book, and you please write down the question and answers in the moments notebook, and also listen the videos carefully. Subscribe my channel, like it, share with others, and this is the question of the day. You have to give me the answer in the comment box. The question is, what was the favorite sweet of the little boy? Give me the answers in comment box. Thank you very much.